Oh yes, obi a won share ni sika bebreza so of course kani japade ho sigani girlfriend untimi fa no just girl na dey pe wasem e dey no dey fa no that's what it do dey na fa o dey na so no and dey ya na no be count won nursery and then one is about bido forget it opa men is if you like wife or if you man is come with next love you think whether she will call you who first name kind of a boy. It's our responsibility. Yes, the other things will come, but first in responsibility. Oh, I don't born you with fear over car where he did. Hey, Massa, Jai, my uncle in him. Oh, be Jumana when you cash out there, transit never two, Ube fear cry, baby. So that's what it and yet it's not anything wrong, but I've just said that's how it is. So tears are. Now you see, me, Jeffrey Asari. Pep Guardiola took one thing, 2009, that I knew he would become the best coach. And so nothing about Pep Guardiola surprising me. Because you see, our Subanbi and Suban Ebema Ubiao Tiasia, no matter the circumstance of Fembi Ebema were tumpon. Or you be a debia or per se. Miya dia, ese miya dia eyesunku. Adia eyesunku biano ye bread ni anya ni ye. On penia ya ye ho opese ye dabi opese de ye bia no eye sonku na de any ho opese ye sonku no you constantly have to work it innovatively for a long time and nipa bia ho you must try to be unique. So you want to be I want to be like Jeffrey Asari, but you cannot be Jeffrey Asari, so you must be like me. Association is similar to it, but you can never be like me. You must also be unique. Create your own uniqueness. That is what he stands for. Perfectionist. Yes. Those of you who work with me, you know me. Perfectionist. You admire Pep Guardiola. But bibio ye bian uye ne sen kra po or sit there be. Mami find details. I'm not satisfied. Me percent me come 70%, me 99%. That is attitude. He's an obia professional. Uye na wa ya de kun uye technical staff member, uye player. Wa bomodi on si debi. Debi. Masa anka so ye no bruso. He win matches and he's still calling his players on the touchline and he's still talking to them. Say how do I nye Kevin De Bruyne? Why we nye why? That is who he is. Or you're perfectionist. Obia bibia or ye you want to perfect, you become successful. That is what it is. An attitude and attribute. Wa fatu no so uye ho hwenye yi enti uye sa de bia no upese wachi bibi wachi bibi kitu bia utrimu nya wo de on top of oye elite developer say player onyo bia obema wa kese esese a obeye wo adwuma wo ma won kwan dia because ono so a disciplinarian wo di rough massa on fa ho che on fa player bia ho che no da no way. He is the boss. He makes you feel that he's the boss. And on the standard in no other one. This is the standard. Either you play by the rules of his standard, measure to the standard, pejao performance, do one do a master for Jagli, you know, I got to Jagli 100 million. I don't know, I got to know. Is there because he can't measure up to the standard. That is what it is. Or you're a ruthless person when it comes to work. And you are successful in everything you do. What is answer? I need to pay wasem bibiri. Neri divorce no. It's simple. What is the issue? Neri say me kunu no. Sebiu. Minute din komo. 30 minutes. Now, the tactical strategy for the game coming up, Man City, Arsenal, and Ojo. Or say me kunu you're boring. That's the disadvantage of a perfectionist because the piano na dream wa juma ye no or per se juma ne sonko but it will affect you elsewhere but a choice. So you make sure that which one are you priority? Yes, me no oba fine, no problem. Yeah, Jaikra fine. At least I have my good job that pay me about 20 million a year pounds. Anytime I saw I say anytime a person achieve be great piano be losing other things. But you must make the choice. Niama me losing anyway ne wan ne hu hia pa. Because if you have this wonderful amount of money, mouth watering, or bet me and your baby up. So this woman can go, another woman will come because he has money. That's Pep Guardiola. So there's nothing he does today that some of us surprised. It doesn't even move me.
SOMPA FM.
Because you understand what I'm saying. Look.
You see, he's one trophy away from becoming all the major top 5 European leagues, a manager with the most league titles.
Me and Enumu, it doesn't move me. Let me tell you.
1913 with Sir Alexander Chapman.
No. It doesn't move me. Let me tell you the things that move me. So, Moma Real Madrid 0, Barcelona 3. Standing ovation to Ronaldinho, 2005, Bernabeu. Now, me can't tell the things that, you see, managing a football club, trophy is important, but it's not just about that. It's about also how you make players great. It's very, very key. Very, very key. Now, this 3-0 by Barcelona, or Bernabeu. 2 goals, brace, was scored by the phenomenal Ronaldinho. But why? Pep Guardiola take over Barcelona. The first two players he said they should go. Ronaldinho Deco. Eto after he played the 2009. Now that a ruthless decision, a risk. Because this boy, at that time, there was nobody in Barcelona. I did Nietzsche Sonkun. Every Barcelona fans than Ronaldinho. He's an entertainer. He's an exciting player to watch. Anything I'll call enemy's territory. No. Ball up, ball and go share. You know, this is rare. For Madrid fans to rise up clapping for a Barcelona fan, we are haram. But we are ye. I said, Sebio, girlfriend, Jano, I 5 ball for ball, who was catching. Ubufu crowd, Tibenzmo, Bano Tibenzmo, Uni Nanti. Ubetimi, to not change the fact that the guy is better than you. This is what they've done. Now, he took that decision. Beyond that, Chelsea won, Barcelona won. Michael Essien scored the goal for Chelsea, and Chelsea for Adia Omompe commentator Iniesta. Now, this game, we share Michael Essien pa, no share name pa, Bobo, an exceptional talent with versatility. Brilliance, excellent technical ability, or an exquisite executioner, or nimyade ball no ye anytime on ya. Now, when this game, and so I'm telling you the man Pep Guardiola and the Nema boy Pep Guardiola. Game where then Nema Mienusi. Barcelona lost Daniel Alves. He had a 3rd yellow card. Barcelona lose Abida because of his tackle on Anelka on your red card. Now, you and I know, when it comes to Champions League final, you need quality defense. Ahead of the game, and Ayatollah himself, I've listened to him 3 times on that. The decision. Okay? Or see, said to get a card is a master. Yeah, Africa fool. Well, bro, fool. I did work on G2 now, called boss and center back. Now, was super issue. So, or see, he has to think through it. And now, see, Pep, the Okan. I doubt the boy, now, but you fit him. So, the innovative strategy and risk of a coach. And Bibi Akoya, you are not a good coach. A good coach is moved by circumstances. How you solve it. Why? So, he has to move Carlos Puyol from the center back to right back. Abida a left back. Daniel Alves near right back. He brought Abida to Silvinho have to play the left back. Don't forget, Abida will be playing the left back throughout the Champions League until this. So it's rusty. Then he has to bring Gerard Piqué and Yaya Toure. Big gamble. I'm talking about a mark of a quality coach. He did that. He beat a renowned and top legendary coach in the finals in Alex Ferguson. This is the man we are talking about. Now, Momami, Barcelona 5, Madrid 0. We're building a team that he took over from Frank Rijkaard to the extent that now the way he wants his players to play, and the way our opposite team know, that's what. Now, Arsenal team now, Pep Guardiola, City 2-1, none of them will enter Real Madrid squad. Please, so it is important for the purposes of the analysis, understand what I'm talking about. So, Osha Arsenal 2-1, and news. You should understand that. Marcelo, Pepe, Ramos, Khedira, Xabi Alonso, Ozil, Angel Di Maria, Cristiano Ronaldo, Benzema. You know that no Arsenal player Casillas imposed. This is the level and elite or transforming the team. Don't forget that Usha Barcelona back for now. Piqué, Manchester United, you remember? He has to bring Piqué back. Transform Piqué. The entire midfield from Busquets. In fact, the 2006 UEFA Champions Final, Iniesta came up in the 46th minute, but he was an average player. He established and built Xavi, Iniesta, Busquets to the level. And Pedro, this game, Pedro Shewangu, he brought them to that elite level. He built these boys to make them great players. And he made sure that on the day where your crowning moment of your success, your most bitterest rival or quality players, Utiano simple 5, an establishment of the fact that I have arrived. Me were a team of sublimeness against Jose Mourinho. He humbled him and make him use it. Look, this is one of the quality teams Real Madrid can never parade. That is Pep Guardiola. If you go to 2010 World Cup, you have Sergio Ramos playing right back, Juan Capdevila left back. You have Gerard Piqué, any Carlos Pio. At least you have him, Gerard Piqué there. In the midfield, Xabi Alonso and Efrim, Ono and Real Madrid. The entire trim midfield, Busquets, Iniesta. Then Pedro, don't forget, or promoted Pedro Busquets from Athletic B, which he was coaching the same time. His players that he has established had led to the first ever World Cup trophy dominated by Spain. Messi. The Messi we make noise about Messi. He transformed him from a young winger to a false 9. All that he has achieved, and Messi himself always say, is because Pep Guardiola transformed him to become something exceptional that today we see. Now the man there, you come to Man City. I remember he took a decision on Brahim Diaz, Eric Garcia, Jadon Sancho. Copa, my coach Chelsea, I cried for him. You know why? Who coach is Pep Guardiola? On the foundation you don't leave him. So I remember at Kesman, I said that Jadon Sancho is finished. When I was going to Dortmund, he's finished. Copa, I said the same thing about him. Because your level of training, I saw Nyan Sana call. Check all those players. Check Raheem Sterling when he left Pep Guardiola. Check his performance so far. Look at Kopama. He should be doing better, far better. When Kopama was there was no fulfilling. And then you see the fact that you are looking at a young Riley. Young Riley. And look at how Riley plays. If you go and see any Inter Milan, the 3-4-2-1 is the same thing he played against you. So you realize that Riley, where it matters most, he's always in advanced area where he will be the one either scoring or laying the pass, just like he did against Arsenal. That is how exceptional. Martin Nunes came in as a very good central midfielder. Now he's playing better as a right back than anybody else. Listen, coaches have come, but 10 new players, just in transition. 13 new players in the team. Transition. That's Pep Guardiola for. He's the most elitist coach currently. When he leaves, the only person left will be Luis Enrique. When he leaves, Manchester City will suffer the same thing Arsenal has suffered. Will suffer the same thing Manchester United has suffered for having coaches that live long, because you can't have his replacement, not even quarter of him.
Pep Guardiola, no credit.
Some of you be more people like Arsenal. You'll be praying.
Your mom.
But we are suffering. So you are not speaking as a pastor.
Someone come here.
We are suffering. But he's not living on court this year. What I want for him, I want him to do is to finally settle the Spanish national, living for 2 years. Because with the quality of the team Spain has, they need him. Look, in 2 years, or let's say a 4-year period, your Bayama Spanish national team, you have no idea. I think that
Is it a
SOMPA FM.
no, the brand of football and his ability to get the best out of players.
The general.
What do I say? Because players no more, but I mean, you know, Fuente is nowhere near him. Players no more, and there are players, almost manager, almost performance, attitude, approach, and the game itself. What the Spanish team play can play far better than that. But when he's there, everything will become explosive. That's my prayer. That at least you should give the rest to the Spanish national team. At least 2 years, 4 years, be so I met me at GBB. Kesia ba kubi asa kan yo imagine